Hi guys, this is a first video on my channel when I will show you unpackaging of a special thing that I want to share with you, and I decided to make this video in English because I think it could be interesting for many of you. Let's get started, and I hope you enjoy with this video. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you today is unpackaging of DJ controller, DJControl Inpulse 200 MK3. This is a new model from Hercules, and I bought it to my son. He's 9 years old, so his name is Matvey. I think that it will be a very good gift for him, because I see that he really interested in music. Let's see, maybe he will like to be a DJ and make some mixing of different samples, etc. Okay, let's see what's inside in this box. Here you are, guys. You can see. Start easy. DJControl Inpulse 200 MK3. Become a DJ. It also includes some DJ Academy video courses, so you can see some different videos how to become a DJ. I think this model was launched this year from Hercules, and Hercules is a brand who is making different DJ controllers, portable controllers, speakers, headphones, and of course software. So I think two softwares are also included in this package, and it is DJUCED and Serato DJ Lite. So let's see what's in the box, inside in the box. Yeah, so here we can see that when you open it, so it's a quick start guide, and of course as controller. You can see it here, and here you can see some message from a producer. Looks quite small, but I think it's very good for new beginners. Okay guys, so now I connected USB Type-C cable to my PC. So the next thing is to download some drivers, and I need to go to support hercules.com, DJControl Inpulse drivers. Try to download it. Okay guys, what I'm doing now is I'm downloading now a software, and it is Serato DJ Lite 407 version, and the second one that also recommended by Hercules is DJUCED. I will maybe make a second video a little bit later when we have learned, and publish some videos when we are using it, so just follow my channel. I have a lot of interesting video in project now that I'm working in, so I will publish it on my channel, Philip from Norge. It means Philip from Norway. Keep safe and hope see you soon. Bye.